If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm super happy to introduce you to the Retro-Tec backpack sling. I've done this as a sling style rather than a backpack style. I have two. So you can see here, it is a relatively large bag. There is a smaller version of this as well. I do not have one of those to show, but it's quite a bit smaller. This is such a great bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So on the back, I've done this as a sling, so you can wear it slung to the left or the right. It's got a padded shoulder strap here, a D-ring here that will help you, that you can hang it up with. In the front, you have a hidden zipper pocket right there. This clasp unclasps, oops, to open up to a large slip pocket, and also helps contain the main zipper pocket, the main part of the bag right here, which has, I got stuff in it, a slip pocket that is padded that will fit a smaller laptop or iPad. On the other side, I have another slip pocket, which is perfect for a cell phone, and a zipper pocket. Oh, and also on the back, you have another zipper pocket that goes across this way. What's so much fun about this bag is, as you can see, you can color block it however you like. So I've done both of these in two-tone. Yeah, I just love it. Anyways, perfect back to school bag when school starts again in September. Perfect travel bag. Both of these have sold already. They are being used as travel bags for men. Definitely could use this as a woman, and there is also a smaller version, as I said before. Anyways, if you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.